so we can wait a second for the filter
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
So how's your day been?
My day has been good. I don't know. It's for me, we're still I know people are ending their spring semester right now. But we're like smack in the middle. How about you?
I'm pretty good. It's been a bit busy also because of like classes ending. I have like
Mm.
about a month left. I don't know if that's like half like for college students, but we're really
Uh,
close to ending. And it's so nice.
oh. Yeah, we end in June, so it's like double that. Give or take, maybe 2 more weeks. So it's actually not that bad. But yeah.
Mhm. That's nice. And you're a computer science student. Like what courses are you taking right now?
Yeah, so I am currently right now what I have is like a double major in CS and physics, but I don't really plan to finish both majors. I plan to like figure things out and see which one I'm better at or I prefer. Um, so right now my classes are pretty much like split between physics and CS, though since I'm in my first year of college, the classes are pretty similar. Um, so like I have a lot of computer science classes and a lot of math and physics. So like all of those are like general requirements for both physics and CS, so it's a good thing. But yeah, I like both subjects right now, so I'm having trouble picking.
That's
Um,
awesome.
how about you? How's school been?
Honestly, like this year has gone by very fast. Like as I don't know how to explain it, but it's just like zoomed. Um,
You zoomed, yeah, pretty much.
yeah. So it's great, honestly. I'm a junior right now, so like I'm gonna start doing like all the college applications and stuff. So honestly, I'm just ready for it at this point.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I remember in junior year, I think a few people were starting at the very end of junior year. So if you start right now, you'll probably have a head start. Um, I know some people started like a few weeks before. I don't know, up to the individual. But yeah, college apps are definitely a process.
For sure.
What's your planned major? Is it computer science?
I want to double major in computer science and business, and then
Oh,
maybe like
nice.
minor education.
Oh, that's really nice. Yeah, business is always a good pairing with any technical skill, especially computer science. But do you have plans to start your own business someday?
I want to start a business or an organization, which is where like the education
Mm.
comes in. Like not something like exactly like Bit Project, obviously, but I want to build something that has like a similar mission, but like it does it in a different way.
Oh, that's awesome. What do you have an idea of kind of what area of education you want to focus on, or what problem you want to focus on? That's
Um,
kind of an on the spot question, so don't worry if not.
yeah, I want to work on like specifically like developing logic and problem solving skills in younger kids, especially like immigrants, like refugees and stuff,
Mm.
like with language barriers. Like I know that's kind of like confusing, but like I want to like create a program that helps like people with language barriers essentially like learn to problem solve and like basically catch up in terms of like math and computer science.
Yeah, that's awesome, actually. Like, do you have immigrants in your family?
Hmm.
Um,
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, that sort of mission definitely rings. Really, I can relate to it. So it's awesome you're working on it.
Thank you. Okay. It's been like 4 minutes. Do you want to get into it?
Yeah, we can. Uh-huh.
Okay,
Uh,
so hey, everybody who's watching. We are continuing one of the serverless projects that we've been working on, which is basically an app that lets you monitor Amazon prices for a given product. So if you like input in a link to the application, it will remind you when there's like 80% off or when the price goes up and down from the amount that you want it to eventually get to. We had one live stream before with Shreya where we kind of got stuck with configuring the database section, but thankfully Evelyn got it all figured out right before we started this live stream. So we're just going to continue from there.
mhm.
Okay.
Okay. hmm
So
should I bring up the article? I
yeah.
believe we're on step two, creating columns. Okay, awesome. So it's finally time to start using our database. Click on your database to navigate. Okay, should I split the screen? Okay, hopefully that's easy to see.
Mhm.
Um, okay. Navigate to the tables directory over here. Notice, please.
Oh gosh, the tension.
I, I have like PTSD from watching the live stream.
Oh my gosh, you saw it.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Oh, please, please.
It
Okay.
worked if you when you tried it last time, right? Or did you?
Yeah, it did work, and then I closed it out and restarted. Maybe I shouldn't have restarted, but
That's okay. Maybe go to the Azure thing, the Azure extension, and then make sure you're signed in. So like refresh at the top.
refresh. Refresh.
You see the resource groups? Oh, actually, wait, the database.
Oh, here. Oh, here. Okay. I pulled it down. Uh-oh. Wait a second. It's not showing up.
Okay, maybe right click on tables.
Refresh. No.
Try pulling up the resource in Azure, like the portal.
Okay. These are all normal, right?
So try going to the actual like function, like the actual like Azure website, and then try looking
Okay.
at the resource there. Yeah. So go
Okay.
to query editor. Okay,
Cool.
and then tables there.
Oh, there's just no tables.
Okay, so we can make one. Um, let's look at. Oh, wait. Silly me. Okay, so we need to actually make it. So if you go back to the article, there's the
Okay.
SQL command to create a new database.
SQL
So
command to this?
mhm,
Okay, okay.
that is something
Copy
to
and
make
paste. Oh, new query. Okay,
it.
got you. So new query. Oh wait, I already had one.
Mhm,
Okay. Then we can just run it or
mhm.
save first.
You can run it.
Oh, oops.
It's okay.
Okay. Okay, column specified
Oh,
column
just do DBO.
DBO. Oh,
That should already be there. Okay. Oh, wait. That's actually really. Yeah, that should work. So,
specified column precision 100. This is what Google is for.
okay. Maybe try doing like float 53 or something. But
53.
yeah, try doing all 53.
Always.
Oh, that's kind
Okay.
of weird. Should work.
Yeah, I mean, oh, 400 should be okay. One near 50. Oh, did I mess up? I think
Hmm.
that's strange. Specified is greater than the maximum precision. Is there somewhere we can set the maximum precision? Did you have to do any configuration?
No, I mean, once I found the DBO thing, it was pretty simple from there. How to create a DBO table. SQL Server. Oh, I already searched this up. Okay, so I'll send you the link in the
Yes,
chat.
sounds good.
Okay, here you go.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Okay. Create
So
tables.
hopefully this works. I don't know if this is for the right thing.
Okay. Set primary key. Oh wait, using query editor. This.
So it's doing pretty much the same thing as what ours is doing, but
Instead, it just says not null, but should be fine. So, huh? Why don't we try Stack Overflow, our best friend?
yeah.
So the system. Okay, you asked the precision of 52. It's 38. And so it depends. So the maximum precision depends on the version of the SQL Server.
Really? Well, I mean, I guess we can just do the max, 38.
That's strange. Oh, so but 53 should work then because if we specify. Mm. Oh, what?
Well, I mean, I think it might be a little bit too short then, but let's look at if you refresh,
Okay,
there should be a new table.
okay.
So the refresh button.
Okay. Let's go back here and then refresh. There we go.
Awesome.
Okay.
Okay,
Awesome.
cool. So we might run into a problem later, like it might be too small, like the float numbers
Yeah.
might be too small.
Can we change the maximum precision? Change maximum precision SQL server.
Maybe drop the table first. So do drop table dbo.scraped data
Drop
in,
where do in the command line?
in the editor.
In the okay. Let me
Yeah,
do
so
that.
that's another SQL query. It'll just delete the table and then we can remake it again now that we know we can do it.
Okay. Here and make a new
Mhm.
query,
Uh,
or can I just do it in the same one?
yeah, you can do it in the same one.
Okay. Drop
Table
table
and then dbo.scrape data.
scraped data.
Yeah, and then we can delete the other query that we had. So from lines 1 through 8.
Okay. Awesome. Run.
Yay. Okay, now we can try the other query again.
Okay. Cool. Oh. Okay. Run.
Oh, make sure it's 100.
Oh. Okay. Okay. No. Okay. We got this. Table dbo dot scraped data. Okay. And then we change. Ah, column or parameter 1. Is there a parameter we can set to change the precision?
I don't know. I've never SQL command change. So this is all like transact SQL stuff though. Like this isn't just regular.
Yeah. Mm,
Very, very strange.
darn.
No, no. Maybe we can try. What's the limit? Why did do you know why we chose 53 specifically?
Yeah, it said greater than the maximum precision of
Oh,
53.
okay. I guess let's just do 53 then.
Okay. Well, what's gonna be the effect, I guess?
I mean, it should like that's like the largest number you're able to store. Not like 53 the value, but like 53 places. I'm pretty sure something
Yeah.
like that. Like for varchar, for example, that stores 400 characters, 400 like bits. Um, but I think it's fine, I guess. We'll run into
Okay.
that problem if it's like
Okay. Well, yeah, we'll burn that bridge when we get to it. Awesome. Okay, then everything's good right now. We just have a 53 float precision.
Mhm. Did you run it again?
Yeah, I did.
Okay,
Query successful.
awesome. Okay, so yeah, okay,
Okay, now it's here and we can refresh and we have our dbo.scrape data.
wonderful.
Data. Since the fun, it's better to stick with a high capacity. Okay, hopefully that's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's time to set up our functions. We'll be creating an HTTP trigger. Okay. All right, cool. So let's go to this quick start guide. You used Python for this part?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and create our local project. So we go to Azure Extensions and we go to Functions and we create a new project. Right?
Mhm.
Choose.
Oh, is that an app service? Are you doing that in functions?
Oh, apps.
Just
Oh, yeah, this should be functions, I think.
okay. Yeah. Okay, and then
So we can create a price scraper. Does not exist because we need to create price scraper. Wait, Python. Choose the location. I have a lot of versions. Let's do Python 3 and then select the template, HTTP trigger, and we'll call it price scraper.
that's not we should name it something more descriptive because you'll have another one.
Okay,
We can call this the inputter, like the data inputter.
data inputter. Okay, and then function anonymous. Add to workspace. Awesome.
Wonderful. But this is like a lifesaver, by the way, VS Code for Python. Like it doesn't even let you run it in the Azure portal. So like VS
Oh,
Code is awesome for
oh,
this.
I didn't know that. So only JavaScript can be run in the Azure editor online.
I think it's just Python that's having this problem. I don't know. Maybe like I'm
Um,
not sure entirely, but
that's strange. Did you have a lot of trouble then at first running?
oh gosh, this whole thing was like debugging. Like I know coding is about debugging, but this was about debugging for sure.
That must have
So
sucked.
yeah.
Okay, awesome. So it's created now. And we can, so we have it set up. It should take around 30 minutes.
Try running it. Try just to make sure
Okay.
everything works.
Uh-huh.
So then press F5.
F5. Was that supposed to pop up?
Your terminal. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's probably what took a while. So you need to install like the Azure core tools.
Okay.
That might take a minute.
Wait, it should be downloading right now. Okay.
Could you hide like the notification, please? That says like that you're sharing your screen.
Okay. Oh yeah, okay. Get, and while that's being downloaded, oh yeah, that might take a while.
Okay. From there, let's see what else we can do in the meantime. So also, I like your like the filter. Is it like the filter or like the theme that you have on VS Code?
Oh
It's very
yeah, I think it's called mono something Kai.
it's very
Yeah, I'm a
pretty.
fan of it. Oh,
Okay.
okay. Awesome.
Oh, really? Is it done?
Yeah, I think so. We have the URL endpoint, I think, right here.
Yeah. So click on that.
Okay. Yay!
Oh,
That was
very
fast.
easy. Yeah. This project really likes you.
Thank God.
Okay.
Okay. Mhm.
So now we're going to make our timer trigger. So this is the part where after you have all of your information inputted into the database, every day or so it'll check to see if there are any updates to like any of the products.
Mm.
So this is going to be like pretty much like similar.
Okay, awesome. Follow the same steps outlined in the guide. Okay, right here. Okay, so we're just gonna do the same thing, except instead of HTTP trigger, we choose timer trigger, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do I get rid of this? What did I do?
Oh, you press like the little socket thingy. Disconnect.
Oh, awesome. Thanks. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we go back to our Azure extension. That's not it. Azure extension. Nope. Azure extension.
Third time's
Functions.
a charm.
Okay, so this is going to be an entirely new project. We'll call it,
Oh,
or is it the same one?
yeah, it's the same one.
Okay, cool. Python and timer
Mhm.
trigger instead. And what will we call this one?
Gosh, I'm bad at this. Reminder trigger. I don't know. Reminder
Yeah,
trigger.
that's better than anything I could come up with. So this is the
Okay.
time thing, right?
Yes. So I have no idea how like this works, especially since this is like Microsoft's weird version of it. So
Hmm.
just use the link in the tutorial to just like make a time for it.
Ah, okay, awesome. Okay, okay. So we want to do it every day.
Well, for this
Um,
one, let's just do it like honestly, like every like minute would be better so that we can like test it, or like every 30 or 15 seconds.
okay. How do I use this?
Um,
Was this the right link?
I
Did I
think
click on
so.
something
Let
else?
me see. Okay, let me try to. Make sure to do Encron.
Encron.
Yeah.
Uh,
Honestly, maybe just let's just leave it at the default.
oh,
Or
every 1 minute.
sure.
Generate. Okay, is this it?
Sure.
I don't know. Yeah, okay. 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 Yeah, okay, the default should work then, right?
What
I don't know
is
what
that
this is.
though?
I don't know. Let's see. Calculate next dates. Okay. That's
Maybe
awesome.
replace one of the times. So like like the zero, like take that out or something, or like one of the asterisks, and then we'll see what we get.
Um, so apparently it goes off every 5 minutes, I think. It should be fine.
Okay, maybe change it to like one.
One. Yeah, okay. Awesome. Oh, okay, cool.
Genius level right there.
Um, oh, oh, I think this is because were we supposed to use the same project? Is it okay if we overwrite the host.json file?
I think so. Because I mean, I did it in the same
Okay,
project. Gosh,
good enough.
sorry, I did this in like September. So it's like okay.
Looks good.
Awesome. So now we're gonna make a Twilio account.
Okay, I think I
Um,
already have one, hopefully. Let
okay.
me log in. Twilio.com. Log in. Okay, I want to make sure my passwords don't leak. I forgot what email I used.
Oh shoot, I didn't see Shreya's. We
Oh.
are doing awesome. Making great progress.
Azure. Okay, I was supposed to get a code. Okay, awesome. Well, wait. Sure there's no sensitive information. Okay, okay, we go to create a new account. Awesome, we already got this done. Okay, it's finally time to start coding.
Okay. Well, the picture doesn't work, but you have me to explain it. Okay, so basically what's going to happen with the HTTP trigger is you're going to have like a front end, like a really basic web form. And then once like the submit button on the web form is built, it's going to use the HTTP endpoint to trigger the function. And then the function parameters would be like the form data, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then with the form data, you the HTTP trigger like puts that into the database through a SQL query.
Okay, cool. So is the form input just going to be like a link to the Amazon page?
It's going to be like a link, your phone number for like Twilio, how long you want to be reminded for, and then like what percent off you want off of the product.
Oh, awesome. Okay, cool. So click where you say go to an open init. Okay.
Okay, so now that we have that open, we are going to install a very important Python package called pyodbc. So this is like basically the connector for databases in Python, at least for like
Okay.
Microsoft stuff.
Okay. So we can just say pip3. I haven't done this one. Install pyodbc.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. And then install. Make sure to import, and at the top of init, we should be importing pyodbc. Great.
Mm-hmm. And then you just need the basic information to like get that connection working.
Okay, so we have to. Is this just straight in our init file, or do we have a config file?
It's just straight into your init.
Okay, cool. So we have to get our database link.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Scrolling thing. Okay. Should be okay. Now, okay, we get our database link, which is
It's price scraper. Oh, that should
is
work. Honestly, I think that's it. Yeah.
okay, cool. Copy.
Okay.
Database name. This I set it up. I think it was price scraper.
Mm-hmm.
That should be, yeah. I should have named it something different.
It's
But
fine.
my username is Evelyn Chin, and
And
my
then your
path.
password, you can make an
Yeah,
environment variable for that or something if you want.
let me do that. Okay, I haven't done this one. How do I make environment variables?
So do export, and
Export
then like database password. Oh, in your terminal.
internal.
So
Export database PW, and then I would just type my password in.
yeah,
Okay, let
equals
me
and in quotes.
equals and encodes. Okay. So, oh, it says export is not an recognizable command.
Really? How to export?
Oh, it's only for Unix. I think you have a Mac, right? In
Yeah.
Windows, it's set. Okay, that should explain it.
Oh gosh. So you have to like do it very fancy way. Let me share the link that I found.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, cross-platform. Okay. Oh, right. Yes, I'm familiar with this. Okay. Environment variables. And then for my Windows, I probably shouldn't share it. You just click on environment variables to my Windows people. New variable, new system variable, and you can put database PW just like I did, and then type in under variable value. Hold on, I'm trying to get my password. Okay. Okay, and that should be okay. Okay, cool. It's telling me the variable is not defined. Why is it not defined?
Did you like in your code?
Yeah,
Oh, so do process. I'm pretty sure it's like process.env for you as well.
process.env in the terminal.
Mm-hmm. Oh no, not in the terminal. Sorry, in init.py. So
And
for the value,
mhm.
could you switch back to VS Code, please?
Yeah, let me clear my screen. Okay.
Yeah, so it would be in password, it would be process.env dot whatever you named it, like whatever the
Database.
okay,
Oh,
and then
okay,
put
okay.
that
And then
in.
wait, hopefully this works without the quotations.
Okay, and then you might need to. Do you have .env installed?
.env like
Mm-hmm.
this?
Yeah.
Apparently not. .env.
Okay, and then you can use. Oh no.
Whoa, that was the most angry error output I just got. Um, what does this mean? The wheel package is not available.
Bizarre. I don't know. I don't. Let me see if you have to call it the same. Um, calling environment.
Maybe if I just did pip. Oh, oh, okay. Yeah, no. um, Aired out with exit status 1. Python setup.py egg info. Check the logs.
Hmm.
Dang, all this because of a password. Okay, let me think. Uh, hmm. Okay, let me create another file, import that file in, and I'll just, in that file, I'll create my password.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just call it config.js. Oh, I called it JS. Delete. New file, config.py. And we can just say database pi is equal to whatever password that was. And then in my init file, okay, this makes me anxious. Okay, from config import database password. Oh, did I say pi instead? Yeah, I said pi instead. Oops. Okay. Okay, now it's imported and we can just use this. Here. Oh, here. Okay, awesome. That should work.
Wonderful. Okay. So, yeah, so basically, just as a summary, the C and XN variable is literally just a connection. So all of the information that you put there will be used to actually connect using the PYODBC library. And then the cursor is what we're going to use for actual SQL queries.
Okay. Okay. So DVC and XN is actual. Okay, awesome. This database is being accessed through varying IP addresses. So we need to configure. I think I did this if it was the thing you and Shreya did during the live stream, the previous live stream.
Yeah.
Okay, then we should be fine. Just the all computers. Yeah. Okay, this is all you did. We're good. If you guys don't know what that means, check out Shreya's, Fifi and Shreya's live stream from before, and they figured out the firewall settings there. Okay. Now, okay, this is exactly what our code looks like so far, correct?
Okay, and then we can run the function.
Okay. Okay. I remember this. How do we do it?
F5.
F5. Select storage account. Wait, I thought I already had one. Okay, we'll create it. my storage account. Oh, it has to be unique.
No, maybe try refreshing. I don't know.
Oh yeah, let's try that. Oops. Let's try again. Use local emulator. Fail to verify Azure Web Job storage connection. Okay, that worked. Oh no, it didn't.
Wait, but that might be the PYO DBC stuff. Could you like open just VS Code and then zoom in a little bit?
Okay. Zoom in. Can you see it easily? Here.
I still can't really read the terminal.
Let me see.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, could you scroll up to the top, please?
Okay.
Function ID. So
For detailed output.
it says nothing named, no module named PYO DBC. Okay.
Let me try. Yeah, it didn't work. Okay.
Try going to like the modules or I forgot what it was called. Gosh, the requirements. Go to requirements.txt.
Okay, right here. Oh, were we supposed to?
PYO DBC. Let's add that. Okay, let's save that and see if it works, if it helps anything. And then you can press like the refresh button.
Okay. Okay, let me zoom out again. That might be too much here. And then F5. Oh.
Dang it! Gosh, it always like gets up. Okay, but that's just. Oh, I know. Okay, we need to like stop that one specific thing, but I forgot. Do you remember how to do that? Like how to stop one?
I just deleted all the terminals. I think that works.
Okay.
Add configuration. Okay.
I was gonna be like shook if that worked on the first try. Like PYODBC took me like a day. Like, gosh, no.
Oh.
Okay, but we can fix this probably.
Oh, this is apparently it's coming from config import. Why? Why is that a problem? Oh. I think instead of just saying config, though, for what I remember, it should work. We can say config.py. And that might be it. All right, let's try again.
At least it's a different out.
Oh.
No, it's not. Okay, well, yeah.
Wait, that's so strange.
I think it's still running, like on the little, like on that port, but there's like
how do we quit it?
there's like a kill port process. Gosh. I'm not sure how to do it on if it's like different on Windows. How to kill a process. Okay, so it's supposed to be like, oh, okay, try this, but with, do you remember what port it was running on?
No. do we have the... Do you mean this, or do you mean like the server ID was outputting?
Yeah, so 7071.
Mhm.
Okay, so put that in. So I just sent you like a command. So use that command, but on 70, like 71 or whatever it was,
Okay. Why
instead
it
of
looks so
780.
complicated? Right. 7071. 7071. Okay. Oh my god.
Excuse me.
Mm,
Maybe that's just a Windows thing. That's a Mac thing.
task kill? Oh, it might be task kill. Task kill. No, that's not it.
Oh, try this.
And for port, I just put 7071.
Mhm.
Oh. Whoa.
Whenever I
Nice.
use a random like command on Stack Overflow, I wonder if I'm like destroying my computer and I just don't know it yet.
Yeah, my computer's breaking down in the background. We're just happy.
Mhm.
Okay, awesome. I'll take it. Wait, F5. Okay. Holy. Apparently it's coming from my config.py, though I'm not sure why it would be coming from that. No module name config. But it's right here.
Um, from is that like the right format? So import Python. I was getting confused with this.
Huh.
No, you're right.
You know what? It's a one-time password. I generated a random password. I think it's okay. I don't use it for anything else.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
This was a lot of trust, you guys.
It's okay. You could only log into this thing if you. Yeah. I'm not worried about it. We're good. Okay. Okay. Let's delete this and delete config. Let's.
Okay, make sure try killing it again. Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Okay. F5. I think it's.
Okay, different things. So this is wonderful.
um.
Field function
Sorry.
ID.
Interface error.
Okay,
What does this even mean?
so just copy and paste that, honestly.
All this?
Oh, no, just like the interface error part.
Oh, okay. Exception. Okay. So here, Stack Overflow. We also have docs. It's in the docs. Right, that's what we were doing too. Try to configure both.
Nope, it says it fails on Windows. Let's.
this works. Okay, what's the difference? Here. Oh, no, that's not it.
Do you see a difference?
No, I don't see a difference. Wait a second. What the
Um,
concept?
do not put a space after the driver keyword.
Uh,
Okay. So
oh,
like microscopic.
okay, okay.
Hopefully we made that mistake. No, we didn't. Oh, great.
Was it in anything else? Nope.
Well, that's unfortunate.
Instead of. No, that's what we're doing. Yeah, that's what we're doing. DSN? Driver database. Format for connection to Azure is right here. Maybe we could try this? Shouldn't be.
Could we read what it said, what the error said again?
Yeah.
So interface error, data source specified. So
Data driver specified.
very strange. Wait, was maybe it's like just a string problem. Can you go to line 8? Do you see anything that might like look weird?
No, I mean, like, if it worked for you, I don't know. I don't know why it wouldn't work here. Maybe. No, that's not it.
Let's try. I'll search up PYO DBC, like the setup.
That's so strange. To be separated by semicolons. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, this is like the exact. Maybe try doing like. Oh gosh, I don't know. I don't think it'll work, but like there was a TCP preface on one of them. I don't know.
Sorry,
I'll
say
show
again?
you the setup. Yeah, sure. So do like on the server, do TCP with a colon after it at the beginning.
TCP. Like that. Okay. Let's try again.
Here is the link to the tutorial.
Okay. Let me. Maybe it might have to do with the fact that I chose local emulator.
I don't know. Like more likely than not, it's probably BYODBC.
Yeah, same error. Data source name not
And
found.
no. Okay. So,
No default driver specified. I wonder if this is because of the difference between Windows and Mac.
I don't know because I mean even the tutorial was like the tutorial didn't have any differences.
Hmm.
Well, okay, so I think you already looked at this page, but so in the data source, create DSN. I don't know what that is. So let's try to go into the Azure portal
Azure
and the
portal.
database.
Where is the Azure portal? Here. Okay.
Okay, so then let's go to the database.
Database.
Oh, I guess that is the database. Search up DSN.
DSN.
DSN
Oh,
within the resource.
oh, here. Right.
That is
Uh,
not a thing. Search up ODBC.
mm, mm,
Okay.
maybe.
Yeah, I'm not sure. The weird thing is that it's saying that the driver is not specified in the
Mm,
thing when it is. Like we literally put that there. Um,
mm.
and there isn't an issue with any of your variables, right?
There shouldn't. I can copy and paste the password again. Where's my passwords? Okay. And it should be correct though, because I'm using a saver. Yeah.
Um,
Wait, let me
are you
try
importing the Azure
something.
function just to make sure?
Sorry, say
Like,
again?
are you importing Azure.function? Oh, yeah, that's not even a problem.
Wait, let me try a different password. I don't think it's this one, but you can try it. Okay, let me restart and then rerun. Never mind. It's not this. It's not the password. Right. Um. Yeah. It's the same error.
That is so weird. And there's nothing else either that's like, hmm.
So, let me copy and paste it here. Sorry, I should have copied and pasted this in the chat. It would be easier to. Wait. I'm not playing nice. Got cut off. Let me rerun it just to get the error back. Is it possible to go back to the storage emulator? Might be it. I don't know.
So you can check. So at the bottom it says Python 3.8.64.
Mm-hmm.
Like, try changing that. I don't know. Is that
There's
within?
so many. Oh, these are other projects. Let me see. 30. No, I think we should go with 64. Here. We could try that.
Okay.
Okay, so here's the entire error. I think I only had part of the error.
Okay. Awesome. Well, I think that is a good place to leave off for next time.
Yeah, I have class. I just forgot.
So we will like figure this out, and then in the next one we'll just give you guys like the way to fix it instead of you guys
Mhm.
watching us. So thanks to everybody who saw this live stream, and we will see you guys next time.
See you.